Hello my friends and welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout to play along with my Cuddle Up kit from Mercy Tiara Kits. This is for October 2024 and it is full of all kinds of gorgeous autumn goodness. Now this layout, I love the Maggie Holmes collection that we have in here. It's called Forever Fields and I thought I would play it up just a little bit. Now my background I'm going to use is a pattern paper and it is a ledger. It is also the most gorgeous pale blue tone. It's got a sip of gray in it, but let me show you the bottom of it. This paper, it is called Flowering Fields. The backside, absolutely stunning. Just thought you should know. Okay, so it's got this floral detail. Like, come on. It's like a ledger with floral detail. Absolutely stunning. Now the photo I'm going to use, this is an old photo. This is my oldest daughter and this is when I was doing photos for her senior pictures. I went ahead and matted it with a scrap of white cardstock that I had. It's not from our kit. Now, what would I like to do? What I would like to do is to have slightly messy edges. And I think I'm going to use this whole like column idea that we have here. So is it going to be perfect? Nope. Is it going to be measured right? Nope. All of that is perfectly fine with me. I'm just going to kind of randomly pick the size. And ooh, I want a scuffy coming this way. So I have to be strategically random because that's a thing. So I have that. No biggie. Let's go ahead also and take off some of the top. That much. Quite precise. Do the same thing on the bottom. So I've got scuffy edges that aren't super scuffy, but are scuffy. They've got the scuff. Okay, already love it. Check, my layout's done. Okay, I have that. Now, one of the reasons I was interested, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it down, that I was interested in using this background is it's light enough for me to also really enjoy. I'm using the grid line right here to kind of line it up. For me to enjoy getting a title on here. So I like this word Dearest. I think it's gorgeous. Let's see, remember, I think Dearest would be perfect. And then I can put her name on it because we've got the most gorgeous alphas. So I just thought I would kind of do the whole base of it and then I'll decide what I'm doing next because I have no idea. So I have this, will be somewhere right there. And we have got lines on this because it is a ledger. So this daughter of mine, her name is Shea. And it is actually kind of a funny thing we have because when people see her name in print, they cannot say it correctly. So we now call her like every one of the nicknames. She's Shea. She has been called Shaw. She has had lots of incarnations of this very difficult name that I actually thought was going to be super easy. So I did a little bit of fussy cutting with some of these sweet little florals and I'm going to go ahead and get them popped in there, up on a little bit of foam, all that kind of thing. You know, the huge. And I use this same paper here. I just am so smitten with it that I was like, you know, this could be so pretty. And here we are. Some of this fussy cutting's a little tiny bit delicate, so I have to watch where I even put any of these, you know, like these little foamy pieces. It is a delicate situation we have going on here. So I have that and I'd like to have the last one kind of wrapping around. Oh, yes. We're just going to have to do a little doctoring. We will do a snip. And then that will be our last little piece on this side. Now the other goodies I have are on the title area. And guys, this is one of these funny situations that I'm like rather pleased with this layout and it's super simple. So I know I've got to come up with a little bit more oomph, like lump and bump. I think I'm going to use lots of these gold sequins to play it up, you know, play up my little clusters. So excited, having fun. I also think I should come in with our little tiny alpha. Hold on, let me get this tucked in here. I liked that little piece going over the D for some reason. Cute, cute, cute. We've got these little Cedar House alphas from American Crafts. So I think I'm going to do senior picks somewhere. It doesn't even have to be anything bold or showy. Just, you know, kind of like an homage to like these throwback, this little throwback photo I think is fun. A little scuffy scuff. And guys, this is so simple. You know, I think I saw our fearless leader recently do a couple of really simple minimalistic layouts. And I was like, ooh, I liked it. She did such a beautiful job with it. So maybe that's where my brain is a little bit. Just needed a little bit of extra like bendy. Okay. So we have that. I'm liking where it's going. I do want to put the senior picks here, a bunch of the gold confetti pieces, but wait, I also want to see what we can do with these pretty foamy pieces. This one you can see pretty well because I have it against the backing. So, ooh, look at this blue. So any of these sweet little pieces we can tuck in, I think are just gorgeous, and they're going to help tell our story because they just do. Okay, we've got that. I really like these blue florals. I'm having a moment with them. Okay, so that's kind of building out that bouquet I like. We've got one white on this side, two blue. We have a blue. Do we have a smaller white? No. So we'll go in maybe with this one that brings out her dress over there. Thank you. That was cute. Now some leafy bits just sticking out. A bit on the willy to the nilly, but I like it. Come on. I was severely wounded from doing dishes, so you guys have to bear with me. I know I've got my war wound here. So that's building out the cluster too. I love that. A couple of hearts because she's my girl. And in and around these hearts, remember, I can go ahead and put in my gorgeous gold confetti mix. So I think it'll be quite lovely. More hearts here. I mean, I can really do a lot over here because you can see it. And that is fabulous. Heart, heart. I'd like to get, guys, it is not easy to craft wounded. Okay, but we must. We will not go quietly into the night. Okay, now what I'm going to do is go ahead and I'm going to get some of that confetti mix on. I'll come back and we will see what we've got. All right, my friends, that is this layout done. I love the gold little bits in the confetti. Do you see that shine? So pretty. I've got information on the senior photos over here. A fun little title, my daughter's name on there. And the most gorgeous of Maggie Holmes florals that you ever did see. So guys, links down below for you guys to get your hands on these kits, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Come over to the Facebook group, show us what you're creating with these treasures. And is there anything else for me to tell you? I don't think so. I'll have a few still shots to follow, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.